We have to streamline our procurement processes by reviewing the current process versus the future direction. Reviewing the current processes is identifying non-value activities and non-value processes, as well as redundant documentation. Review our sourcing strategies with suppliers by establishing a long-term partnership with vendors and suppliers. We will only deal with certified and compliant suppliers and eliminating non-compliant suppliers who are just making our long list. Remove non-compliant suppliers from our list. We have to shortlist our vendors and suppliers. Negotiate and consider the cross-docking principles that the suppliers could deliver from their plant to our major customers or distributors. Consider cross-docking as a strategic process for cost savings to minimize the transportation costs and the processing costs, as well maintaining a good control of your system. There are only three that we have to analyze, determine, and create. Review the current processes versus future direction in buying system. Review our sourcing strategies with vendors and suppliers, and establish a long-term relationship with vendors and suppliers, and deal only with compliant and certified suppliers. Cross-docking is one of the best cost-saving measures that we have to deal with our suppliers and vendors, that they could deliver directly from their plant to our distributors or our major customers. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is